Hello everyone, my name is Dhrumev. Today's topic is Evolution Plan for Clash of Clans, Next Gen Strategy Gaming. Today, we will talk about how to enhance and modernizing this game, Clash of Clans, which is one of the famous game. Okay, there are too many contents, there are too many topics. First topic is understanding Clash of Clans. Second topic is present limitation. Third topic is strategic horizon, the future of Clash of Clans. Fourth topic is planned update overview. Fifth topic is diversifying play, new modes and engaging features. Sixth topic is forging communities, social features and competitive gaming. Second last topic is strategic rollout, the roadmap to evolution. And last topic is navigating challenges, mitigation strategies. Let's move to the third slide, means our first topic. Our first topic is understanding Clash of Clans. As you see, there are three columns. One column for overview, second column for current strength, and third column for player-based statistic. Overview: how users build villages, raise clans, and engaging in epic wars. Current strength: current strength is about today's mode, today's update, and everything. Today's feature of the game, and they involve a new mode, which known as a CWR, Clan Worldly. And let's talk about third column, player-based statistics. Over 500 million downloads on the Play Stores and App Stores. See, it is too much famous game. Let's move to the third slide. First slide. And second topic. Our topic is present limitations. What are the limitations today? By my knowledge, there are three limitations. One is graphic, second game mode, and third one social feature. Graphic, they still use 2D isometric style. Let's talk about game mode. It needs a fresh and innovative game modes to re-engage player. And let's talk about social features. Back in days, Clash of Clans used to give global communications. They had features which give allowness to the player to talk with the global player. Like even Indian people used to talk with the American people, even they are not from their clan. But they removed that. So yeah, it is the limitation of that game. Let's move to the next slide. Slide number 5. Strategic horizons, the future of Clash of Clans. As per my view, is supposed to adopt 3D graphical and realism, and new strategic game mode, augmented reality (AR), advanced social integration, artificial intelligence and machine learning, and sustainability and longevity. 3D. You can assume that if you have a game with 3D view, you will enjoy too much rather than it has a 2D view. Augmented reality. Probably you know what is AR. As you use your Snapchat, like you use that emote to dance on your floor and everything, that is AR. So I hope Clash of Clans adopt AR feature, so we can pop the particular base while attacking on the another base. Since there are too many races, too many grow in AI and machine learning, they're supposed to adopt the AI and machine learning too. As we talk about social integration, they are supposed to give us fair global communications, and sustainability and longevity. You know that. Let's talk about plan updates overview. There are 4 plan updates overview. 1 graphical overhaul, 2nd user interface update, 3rd character and environment redesign, and 4th visual enhancements. Graphical overhaul. They're supposed to improve their graphics. They still use their graphics since 2012, which they used to use. User interface update. They're supposed to improve their user interface. And let's talk about character and environment redesign. As I told you that they are using graphics since 2012. They are using their character, like the design of the character, since 2012 as well. And visual enhancement. Introduction of the weather effects like night mode and day mode. Let's see. Next slide. Diversifying play and new modes and engaging feature. Global campaign. They should start a global campaign. A series of story-driven missions expanding the class universe. Survival mode. Defend against waves of enemies, which is wave increase in the difficulty. Enhance clan operation. Clan territories, like they're supposed to like clan base, builder base. They are doing this right now. And clan quest, which is like which is one of type gift for you. Interactive feature, village council, player voting on in-game event and content updates. Third caravan, exchange the resource with other players. You can change the resource with other players. Like right now, they are doing. They are changing the. They are donating the troops with each other. But I want them to adopt a new feature which can allow the players to swap their resources like elixir and gold and dark elixir. Seasonal event. Seasonal event, like they are giving seasonal event right now, but they are supposed to give more seasonal events so player play again and again and again. Is support and tournament. Is support. Yeah, they are doing right now online gaming streaming, but they're supposed to give to the player who are watching the online streaming. Let's move to the next slide. Forging communities, social feature and competitive gaming. Social feature overhaul. New clan hubs. In-game space for clan members to interact and plan strategies. Real-time language translation. Real-time language translation. Like if someone is Chinese, he's supposed to need a translator. So game supposed to give a translator inbuilt. Content creation and sharing. Like we told about esport. So player can make content in game while attacking, while doing a war attack, while doing multiplayer attack, any kind of attack. But even they're supposed to give them authority to share that video too. And eSport infrastructure. Clash Championship. They're supposed to make a tournament for the players who are playing their game. Let's move to the next slide. Strategic rollout, the roadmap to evolution. There are 4 goals. One is short-term goals, which is a 0 to 6 month goal. Complete the design of new 3D graphic and user interface prototype. This complete the design of 3D graphic, not implement, just complete the design of 3D. Launch of Clan Hubs. They're supposed to launch Clan Hubs in 0 to 6 months. Implementation of real-time language and translation, as we talk about, provide a translator. It is not big deal. Let's move 6 to 12 months midterm goals. Begin a fast rollout of new game modes for community feedback. Introduce global leadership and revamped Clanverse system. Launch seasonal events aligned with major global festivities. Now let's move to long-term goal, 1 to 2 year goal. Establish class championships and supporting in sports infrastructure. Expand collaborative events with inter-clan alliance and server-wide objectiveness. Now, what's supposed to be continuous, ongoing initiative, regular updates and expansion based on player feedback, sustainable and inclusive community building efforts. Our second last slide, navigating challenge and mitigation strategies. What challenges are there and what are the mitigations? Technical hurdles. Challenge, integrating 3D graphic without performance loss. That is challenge. Let's talk about mitigation. Gradual rollout, optimization phases, and feedback loops for performance tuning. User adoption. Challenge, existing player base resistance to change. Mitigation, extensive beta testing, community engagement, and transparent communication. Resource allocation. Challenge, high cost associated with developing new features. Mitigations, phased development, prioritize high impact features, seeking strategic partnerships. Balancing and fair play. Challenge, maintaining game balance with new features. Mitigations, AI-driven simulation testing, player feedback collections, and agile response to balance issues. Now, main concern is security concern, right? Challenge, protecting user data with the introduction of new social features. And mitigation, enhance the encryption, regular security audits, and strict compliance with privacy laws. Let's move to the last slide. Closing. In short, the Clash of Clans had an evolution that seems to bring modernization into the game by updating the level of commitment among players and increasing the level of competition. Together with 3D graphic, new game modes, and improved social feature, this will bring in a large audience and ensure repeated beta run of their loyal players. These strategic updates look to solidify Clash of Clans as the leading title in the mobile gaming industry for years to come. Thank you. Thank you, everyone.